Hey, I am Bronco.
Hey, I am Thar.
Thar and Bronco love exploring new places. Today, they found a big hill, but can they both make it to the top?
Thar, let's race to the top of that hill.
You're on. But be careful, it looks slippery. Whoa, these roads are tricky.
Don't worry. Thar, just take it slow.
Oh, I'm stuck.
I'll come back and help you.
Thanks, Bronco. You're the best.
We did it together.
Thar and Bronco learned that winning is fun, but helping a friend is even better.